We train our students to become entry-level civil engineering technicians, construction engineering technicians, survey technicians, CAD technicians, construction materials technicians. My graduates don't do the actual construction work, they are the eyes and ears of the engineers out on site.
So I always liked the idea of building things, and this definitely has those aspects in it. Not only that, but like the design process, whether it's on paper or by hand.
I'd worked some construction stuff, just some basic carpentry and stuff like that, and didn't really have any idea of what went into the design and kind of the construction of structural stuff. Just a lot of new information is kind of really fun to take in.
We are constantly working on making improvements and offering more and more certifications. We've offered the students the opportunity to get their OSHA 30-hour construction safety certification, get their DOT certification done in several different materials testing certifications.
Last Dollar Scholar applies to this program, and that has been huge. So I've had zero tuition costs my entire time here. The only thing I've ever had to pay for was books, which is usually not that big of a deal. So when I did receive that Iowa County Engineer Scholarship, then I had no school costs for that entire year because I didn't have to pay for tuition or books or really anything, and that was awesome.
I have some graduates who graduated 25 years ago that are still in this field, and they've been taking on more challenging projects, and they've had opportunities to learn more and grow more, and so they are making some very, very good salaries and have built some very solid careers for themselves.
I've received 4 or 5 different offers from different companies already. I started applying in November, and then companies started reaching out to me soon after. If you think you want to be a professional engineer or a construction manager, you can take all your credits from here, go straight to a 4-year program, get your bachelor's. This is a great starting spot for anyone that wants to go in the civil field, and it's a good finishing spot too. So
there are so many folks, baby boomers, who are retiring out of this field, and there are not enough graduates coming out of programs like this one here at Hawkeye to fill those shoes and take this industry forward. So the demand for these graduates is tremendous. The job opportunities, the time is the best it has been to get into this field and take this opportunity by the bullhorns and run with it.